Hey folks, it is the end of the 2025 season. Christmas is over, and this is the time of the year where I do something that a lot of people may not realize. In addition to selling regular hot sauces on my website and at local markets, each winter I produce what I call market-only products. They're all pepper products in most cases, maybe honey products. And they are things that sell quite well at the local markets, but that I've never bothered to put on my internet website. But I got a couple this year that I think I'm going to break that rule, and I think I'm going to sell them on my website because they're super good. So join me, and let's talk about two of these products. Hey folks, this is Mr. Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I've been working in my kitchen all day today, and I thought I would make a little video and show you a couple of products that I originally formulated to be market-only products for the upcoming spring and summer market season. But they are so good, I think I'm going to offer them for sale on my internet website. And that is my new Hatch Pepper Relish. Now, what I've got here in these jars is I have two relishes, one a mild and one a pretty hot, that are produced from a good quantity of Hatch Big Gems I was able to get my hands on in the late summer. Now, the Hatch Big Gem pepper, when it's matured, the red is a wonderful sweet pepper. They list it as a hot pepper, but to be honest with you, by the time you process it into some sort of product, it really turns out to be a rather mild pepper. So what I did is I developed a recipe and produced a crushed pepper relish. Now, this is not like a salsa. This has no tomato products in it. This is purely a pepper product. And the mild version is made out of crushed and acidified and spiced up Big Gem red peppers. Now, it is very, very, very mild. There's just a tinge of heat to it. But I believe almost anybody can eat this. Best of all, it is delicious. Now, I've also got a hot version of it, because no matter what you do with pepper sauce and hot sauce, people always want a cooler one and a hotter one. Now, I can't make the Big Gem pepper any hotter than it is after it's processed. So the hot version is the Hatch Big Gem red pepper blended with Biker Billy red jalapeno peppers. Now, I chose the jalapeno pepper as the blending to add heat to this because, in my opinion, Hatch peppers and jalapenos are very, very complementary. For one thing, the flavor of jalapenos is not so overwhelming that it overcomes the flavor of the Hatch. So what that allowed me to do, it allowed me to make a relish with the same consistency, with the same general flavor, but with significantly more heat. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try these sauces, or these relishes. I'm first going to open this mild one. And there you see it. That's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful sauce. It is really, really thick. Remember, it's crushed. It's not ground. So it's a crushed sauce. And I'm going to go in here and wow. It has sweet notes. When you first bite it, they're sweet on the tip of your tongue. You get a little bit of acidity. Then in the back of your throat, you get just a touch of heat. Not much at all. I think anyone would easily be able to tolerate this. This would be great on hamburgers, hot dogs. I tried it 2 days ago on a salad. It was wonderful. But this sauce is just absolutely beautiful. And I think anybody would be glad to have it on any food they eat. Now, this one is the hot version. This is going to be a little different experience. First, you'll notice that it is slightly different color. And the reason for that is that Biker Billy jalapeno peppers are about as deep red as any pepper you'll ever see. They're also quite sweet, and they are about half again hotter than most jalapenos. So I'm going to dip in here, and I'm going to take me a little bite of this. Wow. The very first thing you notice, right along with the sweetness and acidity, you get that punch of heat. And this is considerably hotter than this one. This will be for the people that are really acclimated to it. If you can eat jalapenos, you'll love this. The texture of it, like I say, is absolutely perfect. I don't know why you wouldn't want this on hot dogs, on hamburgers. I don't know why you wouldn't want it on salad. This will be good. Add it to almost any food you eat. Now remember, these are not salsas. These are pure pepper relishes. So these things are not going to give you any bitterness that you might get with a tomato. You're going to get nothing but the pure, sweet, floral taste of the peppers and a little bit of acidity that was necessary to make these things shelf stable. Anyway, folks, like I say, these were going to be things I made for the farmer's market only. After tasting these, and one other product I have, by the way, excuse me, that's hot enough to give me the hiccups. One other product I have, I felt like it made perfect sense to put them on my website. This may end up being a year-round product for me. Anyway, folks, Mr. Phil, I'm here with New Mexico Hatch Red Pepper Big Jim pepper relishes. Got a mild, got a hot, accentuated with Biker Billy jalapeno peppers. Something here sure to make everybody happy. Folks, thank you for watching me. I'd appreciate it if you enjoyed this video, if you subscribe to my channel. And while you're here, give me a thumbs up so YouTube will know you like it. And ring that bell, and YouTube will notify you every time I publish new content. Again, folks, Mr. Phil, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.